stove. You see that? Cabinet above it on the right. Cabinet above it. Hey.
Dude, he's in there making these fucking ridiculous noises. Like, there's Cinnamon right here. Oh man, this is bad.
Don't get the vacuum. We're gonna vacuum his face off first.
Listen,
if I do this, this is not me. This is something that happened. And we cannot.
I'm going upstairs and telling Sarah right now.
Can I explain why?
Because if he fucking gets this back to me, it's gonna be always me, and he's never gonna fucking forgive it.
Well, that would happen with
1552 Kaiser.
His shoes.
I don't drive on holiday weekends.
He's starting to clog.
What is he doing?
He's clogging. If you let him stop, you'll kill him. I saw a video of somebody getting antiqued with cinnamon. That was pretty cool.
I can't do this anymore.
There's cayenne pepper up there.
I can't do this. If I go any farther, he's gonna be dried out.
Where's the flower? Oh. Don't look at me. Don't look at me, dude. Prank of the week.